Death care procedure. Definition: care the patient's body after death is called as death care. The doctor attending the ward who confirms that death has occurred should record the following in the deceased patient healthcare record: the date and time that they as the attending doctor arrived on the ward, their clinical observation to confirm death, no carotid pulse over 1 minute, no heart sound over 1 minute, no respiratory movement and breath sound over 1 minute, pupils not reacting to light, no response to painful stimuli, the date and time that they confirm death had occurred. The death should be referred to the coroner if the cause of death is unknown. The death may have been caused by violence, trauma, or physical injury, whether international or otherwise. The death may have been caused by poisoning. The death may have been the result of international self-harm. The death may be the result of neglect or failure of care. The death may be related to a medical procedure or treatment. The death may be due to an injury or disease received in the course of employment or industrial poisoning. Procedure for death care. Ascertain that the death is declared and certified by the doctor. Ensure that the necessary forms are filled and signed by the person concerned. Hand wash and protective clothing, gloves and apron should be worn. Close the eyes immediately. Apply light pressure on eyelids for 30 seconds. Straighten the arms and legs before occurring rigor mortis. If there is any dentures that have been removed, and mouth should be closed and support the chin with jaw bandage. Remove the pillows. Remove any mechanical aids such as splint and all the appliances used for the patient, that is Ryle's tube, urinary catheter, etc. Remove the ornaments with the presence of close relatives and it hand over to them and it record it. Wash the body following policy for bed bathing. Seal all leaking wounds, drain site, etc. with a firm dressing pad and waterproof tape. Place clean sheet under the body. Put the cotton or gauze in all orifices of the body, nose, mouth, ear and genital opening. Place the identification label on wrist and ankles. Details such as name, age, gender, diagnosis, date and time of death, complete address. Place the hands over the chest and tie the thumbs together and wrist also. Tie the toe together and ankles too. Dress the body and wrap it a large sheet ensuring face and feet. Secure sheet with adhesive tape. Place third identification tag over the sheet on chest. Throughout the procedure, the body must remain covered in order to preserve dignity and privacy. Arranged for transfer the body to appropriate facility. Articles used for death care: gloves, mask, cotton pad and balls, gauze piece, sponge cloth, bandage, soap and water, identification label, sheet, adhesive tape. Thank you.